Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? Doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride a bike around the house? I think some company is overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the walls. Gets a little lonely, all these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. This is a pretty long break, guys. A bit more. We're almost there. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say have courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman? Confession time. When I practiced this song, I cried a little bit. While I was singing, my voice was cracking up. I was like, do you want to be a snowman? Because I was legit, like, there's this part where she sings, like, well, we only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? I started crying at that point. And I was thinking of Kelly. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? I was thinking of when I leave her. Oh my god. I'm a crybaby, you know me.
パドル走れソリよ風のように月見あらを